What's a soulmate?
It's well, it's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else. It's someone who makes you a better person. Actually, they don't make you a better person, you do that yourself. Because they inspire you. A soulmate is someone who you carry with you forever.
Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer.
You can also support this initiative by donating a pair of school shoes or any amount of money from as little as 10 Rand. Details on how to donate are available on the poster. We are driven by 7 Times Funerals.